Welcome to Cucina con Manu. Today we are going to prepare together Panzerotti Pugliesi.
Hello!
Oh!
How are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful surprise!
Thank you.
I'm
here to help you.
Thank you, yes.
You know how to make panzerotti?
No.
You need help?
Yes.
Don't worry.
I have here with me Vittoria and Pasquale.
Hello.
They are two guys from Puglia, like me, and they are owners of Panzerotti Bites in Brooklyn. So if you are around, please go to check them out.
Otherwise, you can prepare them home with our recipe.
First of all, let's see the ingredients.
You need 500 grams of durum with semolina flour, 300 grams of fresh water, 10 grams of fresh yeast, 15 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 25 grams of salt. About the filling, you need fresh mozzarella and tomato.
And tomatoes.
Yeah, so they are the basic Italian ingredients. Of course, you can customize your filling as you like. This is the basic one. You know, we grew up eating fresh mozzarella and tomato sauce in our pizza or panzerotto. Of course, you can add a pinch of oregano or black peppers, capers, anchovies, ham, anything will do, okay?
Yeah.
What's your favorite filling?
My favorite ones are with mozzarella and tomato, of course. And I remember my grandmother, she used to do also panzerotti with tuna and capers. Let's start with the preparation.
Yes, so you need to dissolve the yeast into the water.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can just pour all of the water in the flour.
Okay.
Then when you see that flour has absorbed the water,
Yeah.
you can move the mix on the table so that you can work it easily.
With both hands.
Yeah, you go even faster with two hands.
Okay. Should I do it now? What do you think?
I think it's
Oops.
ready, right?
Okay. Should we put some flour on top of the table or?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and keep on mixing with your hands.
Do you want to show me the right movement that I should do?
Yes. With all of the energy that you have, you just have to push all of the semolina inside of it. You know, we grew up eating and making panzerotti with our family, like you said,
yeah.
your mom, your grandmother. I remember they used to make the hard work, so they used to make the dough by hand, of course. They put all of their love into it. We can go ahead and put the extra virgin olive oil.
And then the salt.
Don't worry.
So now it's ready to put the salt.
On top of it?
No, it's the same way on the table.
If I don't have semolina flour at home, what should I use?
Otherwise, you can use the 00.
How many panzerotti you do per day at the store?
It depends. Yeah.
Yes. When we are busy time, like in the weekend or summertime, I don't know, around 200-300.
Yeah, but we don't do it by hand, so it's less work. It's like bringing a piece of Puglia, a piece of our tradition, of our family, so it's something very important for us.
Because the panzerotto is part of every family.
Perfect.
You have to put some extra virgin olive oil on top.
Where is this oil from?
This is from my parents' country house in Puglia, in Molfetta. Okay, so we'll leave here for 30 minutes.
Yes, around 30 minutes.
Okay, great, so see you later. We are back with Pasquale and Vittoria. Now what we need to do?
Now we have to cut the dough in small pieces.
I think it's fine.
It's fine?
Yes.
Okay. One for you.
Thank you.
One for you.
Thank you.
One for me.
So we have to form little balls of dough so that they look circular,
Yeah.
and nice.
The nice thing of making panzerotti is that you can decide which size you want it. So for example, I remember my mother, she used to do panzerotti like this, like mini panzerotti.
Yeah, it's another family signature.
You can decide what size you want to do it. Now we cover them and we let them rest for
A couple of hours.
Wow, a couple of hours.
I remember when in my family, when it was cold outside, like it was winter, to make them rise faster, we used to put them in the bed, you know?
Yes, my mother too. Yes, that's true.
It was nice and warm, and they grew up like so.
Yeah, and I remember my parents, my grandmother, they used to tell me and my cousin, don't go to bed, don't go to bed.
There's a little surprise in the bed.
And of course, when you say something to the kids, don't do that, of course we were there in the bed to touch, the dough. Oh,
exactly. Yeah, it's true.
So nice. Okay, so see you in a couple of hours. While our balls are resting, we can start to prepare the ripieno of the filling. Yes. We will start with the tomato and mozzarella.
Yes, the traditional Panzerotto Barese or Pugliese is with the fresh mozzarella and the tomato sauce. So you can just
Scratch them.
Yeah,
Scratch the mozzarella. Okay, like this.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Usually in your store, what is the most popular panzerotto?
The most popular is the classic.
It's this one,
yes.
right? The classic mozzarella e pomodoro.
Yes, it's very easy for everyone, for the kids.
But also the spicy salame.
And another best is the porcini with the black truffle.
And then we prepared already the other filling with the tuna and the capers. The dough is ready. And we put the semolina flour on the table. Then we have our first bowl of panzerotto. I mean, it's still a dough now.
Yes.
Roll in
You
semolina.
can push a little bit with the finger.
And then you, with your cute rolling pin, you just have to roll it down.
You wanna make the panzerotti for the Smurf?
The Smurf.
I don't know.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I know, but if you wanna make a panzerotti for the Smurf and you wanna work, okay.
So now we can fill in the dough.
Exactly. So just put a spoon of the tomato sauce and mozzarella mixed together. Do you wanna put some oregano?
Yes.
A little pinch.
Or if you have a fork, you can push like this.
My first panzerotto is ready to be fried. So now we will move over there. Now we are ready to fry our panzerotti and we are using canola oil. How we figure out when panzerotto is ready?
When it's gold.
When it's gold. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
We left Pasquale fried panzerotti.
Exactly.
Are you okay, Pasquale?
I'm ready to the fryer.
And me and Vittoria, we can keep doing panzerotti.
Exactly. I feel like every country has its own panzerotto kind of food, right? For example, there's the empanada or the dumpling or the pierogi. So every country has its own way of putting some ingredients into a pocket of dough, right?
In Italy, when we do panzerotti, every member has a role. So you have, for example, the grandmother that makes the dough.
Yes.
Your mother that fills the panzerotti, and then you have someone else that fry, because you need someone that needs to fry. Okay, this is our final result, and now we are gonna taste them.
Wait a second.
What?
It's not a panzerotto without a beer. Cheers!
Cheers!
So good.
This is the recipe for Panzerotti Pugliesi. If you make them home, please use the hashtag #MyPanzerotti And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you come here in New York City, don't forget to go to visit these two guys at Panzerotti Bites. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Ciao!
Ciao!